Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's like 6:30 in the morning, driving to work. So today and tomorrow I'm going to be doing something a little different. They took me off the doing the treatments for a couple of days because we have a very large pruning job to go do down in Dallas off of 635 somewhere. Apparently a gigantic tree fell over and took out a portion of a house, and apparently it was so heavy and it came down so hard that it broke the corner of the house, took the house out, and smashed part of the foundation, and completely pushed the whole thing down into the ground for like a little bit or something like that. I'm not too sure what we're gonna see when we get out there, but wanted to film this part now because when I get to work we're gonna have to put everything together and go pick up some equipment. I guess we have to go get a mini loader, and that's what I'm gonna be operating for the majority of the job. So yeah, we're gonna see what exactly we have when we get out there. Because I'm not exactly sure. I just know a giant tree fell over and hit a house, and we have to clean it up. So gonna be a lot of chainsaw cuts and grinding, putting a lot of stuff through the chipper. So we're gonna see how it goes, but brought the GoPros, have them all charged up, and gonna make a video out of it as well, because it's gonna be interesting just to see the thing. So yeah, wanted to film this intro, but I will see y'all down in Dallas after we get everything together and get down there. So I will see y'all there. Walking back, about to check out this mess. Holy. Oh my God. There's people out here. I'll film later. What a mess.
I'm just checking it right there. You said put it in the driveway, it's fine.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
All clean stuff goes, the trash, no.
Yeah.
That's what he told me. Anything I need to know, you need to pick it up.
Nope, that's pretty much it. When we're dragging it out there and you're piling it, we'll just be making a line in the driveway. And then as long as they're all facing the same way, we can just drag them right into the chipper. So what he told you is perfect. Yeah, so then this will pop off. Should. There we go. And then what are these? Are these just nails?
They're a special star head.
That's fun.
You have one of those?
At my house in Garland. What's Rick got on his truck?
I don't know.
You think he's got bits?
Go ask him.
I don't know if he's got bits. Put it in here. I was gonna
access. I just don't want it to fall over. I guess you can put it out.
I was gonna lean it up
sure.
against the house. Let me get over here.
Go for that nail sticking in next to your hand, dude.
Yeah. So we were told to watch out for bees in this tree. Apparently there was like a 40-foot long beehive in this thing. They had someone come get 40 pounds of bees out of here, and what they couldn't get to, they unfortunately had to put some tempo on it to try and get rid of them. So they told us to keep our eyes open. If we see any bees, that guy's got to come back out here. But I found some hollow logs where this hive was. You could see that, and they were all the way up in there. That's just one. Solid on that side. Here's another one. They were in there. Maybe get a flashlight. Oh, there you go. All the way up in there. Sure, they were up in there. Pretty crazy stuff. So, I mean, this is wild. Big old tree. Alright, so this is the big red oak that fell from the other side of the fence. This is the freaking crazy. Like shifted big concrete blocks. I guess that's where the beehive started, all that debris that's inside there. It's crazy.